Welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to show you another awesome brown gal hack, which is how to stop your kajal from smearing, or rather how to artistically allow your kajal to smear. Rimmel Scandal is one of my favorite kajal because check it out. It's like butter going on. And I think that's the blackest kajal. I used to be really into the Marc Jacobs one, but once I found this, I have never gone back to anything else. It's just the most intense black I've ever come across. Look at that, guys. It's crazy. Always remember to line your upper lid as well as your lower lid. So the way I do that is I get it in here and then I close and I just sort of shove towards the lash line. Okay, so once you put your kajal in, I mean, not to say that this is the order I would necessarily do it in, you do your eyeshadows, whatever, but if you've got your kajal in and now you're wondering how to stop that from smearing, here is the best trick I can tell you. So, if you've got one of those little applicators that come, this is the Tom Ford one, and what I really like about the Tom Ford little applicators is, if you notice, they've got this pointy applicator and the round applicator, so they're really cool. But if you don't have those, you can also just get yourself a little brush. One of my favorite brushes to do detail work like this is the Morphe M508 brush, okay? What we're going to do now is to stop the kajal from smearing, or indeed to have the kajal smear into something that's going to be even more gorgeous. You're going to pick up a bronze eyeshadow, any bronze eyeshadow that you like. If you want like a richer, darker effect, go for a richer, darker bronze eyeshadow. But it should be something that's dark because you're going to put it right next to this, but you want something shimmery. The key is shimmer here. What we're now going to do is we're going to take some darkish bronze eyeshadow and we're going to create a little bank around the kajal. So get right in there, right next to it. And squeeze your eye and try and get your kajal to bleed outwards into this a little bit. So it looks kind of pretty and smudgy. You can do the same to the top if you want to as well. And kind of squeeze your eye so that it bleeds out into this bronze shadow that you put a little bit. We like that. Okay, on the inside of the eye you want to use something gold, so just grab any old gold that you're happy with, and I'm using like a rose gold here on the inside. Yeah, and then just with your finger you can blend the bronze and the gold out. What this does is it gives you this little shelf of eyeshadow that as time goes by, the kajal is going to sort of bleed into it and it'll be really pretty. Then you sort of highlight your under eye as you normally would. This is a great way to keep your kajal in place and it doesn't move very much at all, I promise. And when it bleeds out, it bleeds into the bronze, so it becomes this heavenly, smooth, kind of melted, gorgeously smoky, kajali under eye. I hope you guys found that useful, and please give us more suggestions of other problems you guys have so I can create these videos to solve these issues for you. It's super fun to get content from you and to know that I'm giving you exactly what you're looking for. Please subscribe and like the video if you're feeling generous. And if you hit the bell, then your phone will give you a notification the next time we drop a video. So I hope to see you there next time. Bye guys!